Hey guys, it's Veronica from Potions with Veronica. Today I will show you how to make body scrubs. Today we will have two recipes, so we will start with the first recipe. At first we need to melt some coconut oil, so we use a water bath. So we have a pan with the water and a mixing bowl. We wait until the water is boiled, and when it's done we place the mixing bowl inside. We take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and stir it until it's completely melted. When the coconut oil is melted, we take 5 tablespoons of white sugar. At first I will take only 2 and mix it together. And when the mixture is more and less even, I take more 3 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna add a few drops of lavender essential oil. And mix it all together again. And then we take our sugar scrub to the third container. And the recipe number 1 is ready. And let's start the second recipe. First, I'm gonna take 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Then I will take 5 tablespoons of pink Himalayan salt. First I will take only 2 and mix it together. And then I will take the rest. And the last step is to add a few drops of sweet orange essential oil. And we stir our salt scrub. And when the scrub is ready, we take it to the storage container. And our salt scrub is ready for use. Thank you for watching the video. I hope your body scrubs went super well, and if you enjoyed the process, leave a like and also make sure to subscribe. Thank you, bye bye!